Alright, so this is Notion on Honor Pad 10. So I put my hands on the screen. I select the tabs at the side. Okay, no problem. What if I put this hand? No problem as well, see? So Honor Choice Pencil has no problem using Notion on Honor Pad 10. Now let me just change to Huawei. Alright, this is Notion on Huawei MatePad 11.5 PaperMatte 2025. Alright, so put my hands, then I select. Alright. Now let me just put another hand here. I select. Right, if you notice, when I select one of the tab just now, I think it didn't register correctly, so I'm unable to select the tab beside here. But this is just my personal experience. If you ask me, this is quite minor, but if you compare to what I experienced on the Honor Choice Pencil earlier, then this may lose a little bit. I'm not sure why, to be honest. Okay, Notion AI inbox, home. But it's just that the Honor Pad 10 seems to respond faster. Alright, let me just use back Honor Pad 10. Alright. So basically this is the experience. If you ask me, I find that Honor Pad 10 seems to behave smoother compared to Huawei MatePad 11.5 PaperMatte 2025. Alright. There's a possible reason because that is using Gbox to install Notion. Alright, that means there's a workaround to install Notion, not directly from the app gallery, but this one is directly from the Play Store. Alright, so this could be one of the reasons. Take it with a pinch of salt because I cannot guarantee it's the correct reason, but so far my experience with Notion on Huawei and on Honor Pad 10 wins. Alright, but personally I think the differences are quite minor. It won't affect my choice if I want to really pick a note-taking tablet, which is the Huawei MatePad. Okay, but if you are very concerned about other apps performance on Huawei, then it's better to get the one with a full Android suite like Honor Pad 10. Okay, so I hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day ahead.